Run. Don't worry about it. We'll just walk past him. That one's Manny, and this one is Sadie Jr. The reason why she's Junior because her mom died of sickness. This one, which they're pretty much brothers and sisters. Maybe you can hear their father barking in the background. Around the block. I don't know. We'll see. Wow, Budweiser. Just randomly on the street. I got the pretty girly leash. Oh, he has the black leash. Over here. Alright, it's pretty much. Hey, let's switch.
Man, I don't want to have a big car.
Oh, this person.
We got more pool. Come on.
Alright, and we switched dogs. Now that we're back. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm in the house now. Like, comment, and subscribe on the video, basically everything. And kindly put R.I.P. Sadie, have a great time where you are now. For Sadie Jr. Social Film. It only takes, I don't know, as long as you need to type. But have a great day, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.